Your About page is the second most visited page on your site. Don't let it be boring. Today, I'll show you how to build a high-end responsive theme section using the ElementsKit Team Widget. Before we start, let's talk about requirements. You only need the free version of Elementor and the free version of ElementsKit. No pro licenses are required for the styles we're creating today. First, drag the ElementsKit Team Widget into your section. Now I'm choosing an image for this. You can choose it from your media library. You can change the name and the designation of your theme. So I'm editing the designation here, Designer to CEO. So you can update the name and the job title. Here you will get the social profiles. You can add links to their professional network here. Here we have Facebook link, Twitter, and Pinterest link as well. So ElementsKit gives you a full library of icons to keep your UI recognizable and clean. So now let's move to the Styling tab. Under the Style tab, we will start with the content. And here you can adjust the padding, the content padding, and the border type. So it will give you a premium feel. You can edit. See? Don't forget the social icons. So you can change the icon size. I'm keeping it here. It's pretty visible. And you can also change the typography. So that was it. In just minutes, you have turned a basic list into a professional gallery. If this helped your workflow, hit that like button and subscribe for more Elementor design deep dives. Now, go build something great.